गोंयांत 13 फेब्रुवारी सावन कार्निवल सुरू जावपाचो आसा. शुक्रारा पर्वरी हांगा कर्टन उबारपाच्या कार्यावळींतल्यान गोंय कार्निवलाची अधिकृतपणान सुरवात जातली. देवाची सासाय आनी गोंयच्या संस्कृतायेचो मेळ आशिल्लो हो 5 दिसांचो उत्सव 13 ते 17 फेब्रुवारी मेरेन राज्यभर पर्यटन खात्या अंतर्गत मनयतले. ह्या उत्सवात रंगीत मिरवणूक तशेंच वेगवेगळ्यो कार्यावळी घडोवन हाडटले, अशें कार्निवाल वेवस्थापक संचालकान पत्रकार परिशदेंत उलयतना सांगलें.
Carnival 2026 will be organized by the Department of Tourism from the 13th to the 17th of February 2026. We will have the Curtain Raiser in Porvorim on Friday, the 13th of February 2026, followed by in Panjim on 14th Feb on a Saturday, 15th Feb Margaon Sunday, and 16th Feb Vasco Monday, and the last parade will be held on two locations in Mapsa and Morjim on Tuesday, 17th February 2026. In all, the total prize money for this year is around 48 lakhs. The total infra amount is 1.04 crores for all the centers put together, and the total amount which will come to 1.53 crore. So center wise, I think Porvorim is around 19 lakhs and Morjim is 16 lakhs. Panji, Margaon, Vasco, Mapsa, the total amount is prize money plus infra is around 29.35 lakhs.
I'm quite excited to be the King Momo of the Goa Carnival 2026, selected by the Department of Goa Tourism. It's been a great journey since the selection till this desk now where we are sitting, and I look forward towards having a very grand, vibrant and different carnival this year. The float parades will be different because we have various categories. We have selections for the floats, and the bar will be raised this year. Ever since I've been elected, I've also embarked on a journey of an outreach program where I have met various people from the streets, our traditional occupationists, Kheltiatrists, and everybody, musicians. I've also coined a slogan keeping in mind the carnival celebration. It is called Amche Goy, Amcho Lok, Amcho Carnival, Viva Goa, Viva Carnival. So let's gather in more participation, more floats, and let's keep up the name of Goa high.